Hello people, welcome back. What shall I achieve this 3 recipe ice cream? Guys, you know it's spring and we all need ice cream. So I decided to make this homemade ice cream with just 3 ingredients. Follow guys and let's make it together. Banana milk and peak milk. So I add the bananas inside my crusher. I added the milk, the peak milk, and I will blend it until it is properly crushed and smooth. My returning subscriber, thank you for always returning. I see the like, the share, the comments. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, follow for more amazing videos. Follow me on all my social platforms. The name that I use here is also the same name that I use in other platforms. So guys, once it is properly crushed and smooth, so I'll pour to my ice cream maker. Once added, I will set aside and add it to my coffee cup. So as you can see, I did add sugar because banana is sweet, milk is sweet, peak milk is also sweet. So here is it. I'm adding it to the coffee cups. And I'll add in my stirrer so as to help me bring it out from the cup once it comes out from the freezer. So yeah, I'm adding the stirrer. So guys, feel free to use anything that you are comfortable with. So we needed ice cream and I made one. So this is after 4 hours inside the freezer. My kids did not allow it to freeze well. So I brought it out 15 minutes earlier so as it can come out of the cup. Enjoy. Thank you for always coming. God bless.